My name's Dave Whitesley. I'm Technical Director of Envisage UK Limited, and I'd like to take this opportunity to run through the creation of tubing inside Autodesk Inventor. So what we've got here is a 2D sketch on top of a surface, and the idea is that we're going to create tubing that would be designed for something like a heat exchanger. And in this instance, not only have we got the multiple sketches of the center lines of the tubing, but we've also got a surface which will enable us to add bends to the tubing, because it's not always flat. We might be wanting to relocate or bend the tubing so that something else can go underneath other tubing, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do first is to use the 3D sketch tool. And one of the new tools in the 3D sketch functionality is curve on face, and what we can do here is we can actually snap to this 2D sketch, and as we move across the surface you'll see that it automatically projects this sketch onto the surface. So this will enable us to very quickly and easily create a 3D sketch on our surface. Let's take the one on the other side. Again, that's following the surface as I drag the mouse around, and create another portion of my 3D sketch. And then we're just using include geometry to include this arc at the end here. Finish the sketch. Let's just turn the others on and turn off the visibility of the surface and the 2D sketch that we started off with. So now what we've got is our 4 3D sketches, and I want to add tubing to these sketches. Now obviously this is quite an easy design. If we've got hundreds of sketches and I want to add sweeps to all of these, then I've got to add work planes at the start of each of the profiles, draw the concentric circles, then do the sweep. So what we've done is we've at Envisage we've written an app for called TubeIt, and what this allows you to do is you actually select the sketches, and then you put in the outside diameter and wall thickness. We've also added an ASME wall thickness calculator as well, so you can actually put in the OD, the pressure, the yield strength of the material, the weld efficiency, and then go ahead and calculate the thickness, and that'll actually add the wall thickness to the material. I'll just round it up to 2 on this instance. Click on OK, and then that adds the in one fell swoop it'll actually create the work planes normal to the sketches, draw the geometry, produce the sweeps, alter the dimensions that we applied to in the TubeIt tool. This also, because this is a single part, has created each of these as solid bodies, so that we can go from the multi-solid body environment and push these out to an assembly should we wish. And that is a quick review of TubeIt. It's part of our iTools suite of add-ins for Inventor. You can download a 30-day trial from our website at this URL at the bottom of the screen, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.